So on this solid state will exist in the two different form. One is the crystal form, another one is the amorphous form. From this crystal and amorphous form, this crystal form is the stable form, whereas considering the stability, amorphous is the less stable form. As you know, the nature is favoring crystal form of solid. So majority is of crystal form in nature. Around 20,000 crystals, if you will consider the majority of the crystal, 20,000 crystals are known today. Then you will know what is crystallography. This crystallography means drawing the geometry of crystal and study of their physical property. This basically drawing the geometry of crystal and study of their physical properties. This is known as crystallography. Write down all this. I think all you have written. Okay, anyone having any doubt on this? This is the introduction part of the solid state. Okay, no doubt. Thank you. Then we will proceed to the next. I am erasing this. Okay. So you will study the crystal. Listen, dear students, this crystal may have the order arrangement. They will be arranged in a orderly manner, or they must have no order arrangement. They don't have any particular arrangement. When you consider the order arrangement, this order arrangement you can consider the two types. One is considered to be single crystal. Another you can consider that known as polycrystal. Then what is single crystal and what is polycrystal? Single crystal means you can see that it having a single crystal and oriented in one direction. It is the pure form of the crystal and having high strength. Their strength is somehow high. Polycrystal means, suppose you consider it is a polycrystal. In the polycrystal, some grains are present. These are known as grains, and they are separated by the grain boundary. This is known as grain boundary. They don't have any order. They have the order arrangement, but arranged in the different direction. You can see one in the top, another in the bottom, one in east, another one is west. This type of the arrangement. So you can consider it is of mixed state and having less strength. All of you clear about this regarding the single crystal and polycrystal? Okay, very good. Then write it down. Then we will proceed to the next. Okay, very good. I think everyone has written. Then we will go to the concept of the lattice. What is lattice? Remember, it is the basic skeleton of solid. Basic skeleton of the solid is known as lattice. Suppose you consider there are infinite arrangement of points. What is the basic skeleton? Basic skeleton means let's consider there are infinite number of the points. So when you consider this infinite number of the points, so you can arrange the point like this. You can connect the points like this. You can connect the point like this. Whatever the you can try, you can connect the point in this way. In different direction, you can connect the points. So an infinite imaginary ordered arrangement framework. This you can see that this is a ordered framework of points. Basically, these points are imaginary, so we can say that this basically is imaginary ordered framework of the points. And this lattice you will consider, and the lattice point you have considered, basically they have no physical existence. There is no physical existence of this lattice, but it is considered to be the skeleton of the solid, because whatever the solid we will consider their construction, their properties, that to be came from the concept of lattice. Another one thing is that surrounding of each lattice point is identical. Then I have joined the lattice, so you can say that this is formed, that I can tell it is a unit cell, or I can say that suppose these are the lattice points, it means infinite array of points. Suppose I will join this 4 points, then this is obtained, that is known as unit cell. Unit cell means continuous repetition of that will generate the whole lattice. If it will be repeated, the whole lattice will be formed. If we will consider the unit cell is of two types. Remember, one is primitive, another one is non-primitive. So there are two types of the unit cell. One is primitive type unit cell, what is another one is non-primitive type unit cell. Then we will go what is primitive and what is non-primitive unit cell. I think everyone has written this. Okay. See, primitive unit cell means suppose you consider infinite number of points. These are the array of points. If these are the infinite array of points, suppose I will connect these 4 points like this. These 4 points are connected and unit cell is formed. This is known as primitive unit cell. Why it is known as primitive unit cell? Because already I have told you regarding the n effective in the previously, here n effective is equal to 1. Just recall the previous classes regarding the solution of assignment when we have studied the n effective part. Yes, very good. I think Prati has remembered this. So when you will consider this, here n effective is greater than 1. So when n effective is equal to 1, it is known as primitive. So this type is known as non-primitive. This is n effective is greater than 1. Then we will go to the next concept regarding the structure of the unit cell, how the unit cell is made of. But you have to know the basis. Okay, already in that numerical I have told you the basis. Yes, I will not go. that is lattice plus basis is equal to crystal structure. Okay. Then we will go to the different crystal structure. Already I have discussed on the basis in the previous class, so I don't want to discuss more. Basis and Bravais lattice already I have discussed. Go through the previous class notes in that concept, in that numerical already I have told you in the question, so I don't want to discuss. So different type of crystal structure. Okay, you first write it down so that I will go to the further. Okay, very good. So first is make a different type of crystal structure. First is simple cubic. Listen students, here I will tell you the one concept on the simple cubic that similarly will proceed to the body center cubic and face center cubic. Let me draw the simple cubic. Okay, let me this. Yes. Suppose I will consider a simple cubic structure. Let me draw the pattern of simple cubic structure. Cubic means basically your understanding it is a cube. So this is a simple cube I am telling, or you can say that it is basically a lattice. In this simple cubic structure, what will happen? Atoms will be present at all corners. Here corner 1, corner 2, corner 3, corner 4, corner 5, corner 6, corner 7, corner 8. So all the 8 corners, that is black in color, the atoms are present. So what about the simple cubic? In simple cubic, one lattice point, it means atom at each corner. So how many corners are there? So there are 8 corners. Then we will see the different terms associated with it. First we will see the coordination number. Listen, dear students, here one format I will consider to be the coordination number, that to be followed in everywhere. How can you calculate the coordination number in simple cubic structure? Suppose you consider it is a simple cubic structure. This representing a simple cubic. Just give me some time to draw. Okay. Yes, yes. Yes, we will discuss the numericals, but what happens? Actually, thing is that the more you will practice, the more you will know. So that's why I'm giving you daily approximately more and more numericals. So don't hesitate to do the numericals. Okay. So you consider, see here, first see here, 8 atoms are present. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 atoms are present. Now you see, we will go to the coordination number. First we will see what is coordination number. It means number of nearest neighbors to a given atom. Your student listen is that listen. In the exam, you will surely get one question on this solid state. When you will get the question, there are number of physical quantities related to it. You will be confused. Sometimes you will think what is the coordination number for simple cubic, what is the coordination number for the body center cubic, patient cubic, diamond structure, Chladnian structure, LSL structure. Never don't be confused. Everywhere the method I will use, that is the one of the simplest method. This method is not written in everywhere, none where you can find. This developed by me only. I have developed this thing, type of the thing, so that you can understand easily. So if you will today understand easily, so lifelong you can find. Okay, suppose I will consider this atom. Carefully listen. Same concept will apply in BCC. Same concept will apply in FCC. What is the number of the atoms connected to it? We can see that here one atom at a distance A is connected to it. Similarly, another atom here will be there at a distance A. Down an atom at a distance A is present. Similarly, at the top, another atom at a distance A will be present. Then above at a distance A is present. Below to this atom at a distance A, another atom will be present. So you can tell me now what is the number of the atoms present correlated to it. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 atoms are nearest to it. So here coordination number is 6. All of you understood how I have found the coordination number? Coordination number means number of nearest neighbors. So here coordination number is 6. Okay. Then we will find what is the distance of nearest neighbor. Distance of nearest neighbor. It means the nearest neighbor is situated at how many distance. Generally, question come in the exam. I have seen first nearest neighbor, second nearest neighbor, third nearest neighbor. So don't be confused on this. What is first nearest neighbor? What is second nearest neighbor? So you can see that suppose and you are present here. Your home is present here. Suppose this is your home. Another person is staying. Mr. X is staying near to your house. Mr. X house and your house is attached, so he is the nearest neighbor. Mr. Y is situated somehow at a distance, that the distance from the X, so he is the second nearest neighbor. Okay, very good. This Z is the third nearest neighbor, so that's why he is the nearest neighbor, second nearest neighbor, third nearest neighbor. So same concept will apply here. Who is the first nearest neighbor or the nearest neighbor? Who is the second nearest neighbor? How can we find out this? Already I have told to you, only you have to apply the tricks, nothing you have to apply. So this trick will help you. Trick means you have to understand in the concept. Many times I have seen that with the ODI students, we know the concept, but we don't know how to remember this, how to understand the concept easily. That's why we fail in the exam. I told again and again to all students that don't be so much of in depressed. Have the proper idea, and surely it will be easy for you. So see, one atom is present, another atom is present, 2. Yes, very good. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now all of you see, I will consider this atom. This is at a distance A. This is at a distance A. This is at a distance A. So A is the distance that all the atoms are connected nearest to it. They are the nearest neighbor of this first atom. Nearest neighbor of this atom distance is A. This atom at a distance A. This atom is at a distance A. This atom is at a distance A. So all these are at a distance A from the our considerable atom. Okay, we can see that another atom is present. I will consider this atom. That is, I am marking as the blue. What is the distance of this atom? This distance is from the first atom is this diagonal, you can see. This is the diagonal. Okay, the diagonal is not properly visible. Let me. Yes, this is the diagonal. This is the distance of the atom from the first atom. This is the distance from the atom from the first atom. You can see that it is the diagonal. and it is known as the phase diagonal. This distance is a, this distance is a, so this distance is very good. So root 2a. So another diagonal you are getting, that is another distance you are getting, that is root 2a. So one distance is at a distance a neighbor, another distance is at a distance root 2a. So next distance I will go. Let me erase this phase diagonal so that you will not be confused with the next diagonal. Okay. Let now see that another element is present. This another atom is present here. So what is the distance from the our considerable atom under consideration? This distance. Okay. This you can see that it is body diagonal passing through the inside the body. Yes, this distance is root 2a. Okay, this distance is a. Very good. Who said? Root 3. So another distance you are getting root 3. I think all you have understood. So what is the least distance? Distance টা কম হলো ফার্স্ট distance is minimum at a. So here is the nearest neighbor at a distance a. It is the very good second nearest neighbor. It is the third nearest neighbor. So this thing is our whole idea. Why I have told you this? Listen, if it is face center cubic, atom will be present at the face. This distance is root 3a. Now it will be half root 3a by 2, root 3a by 2. Body center BCC. So you can say that at the body and what atom will be present. So distance will be root 2a by 2, root 2a by 2. So nothing you have to remember in the solid state. You apply only these tricks. I have told to you the method that I am approaching. That is only tricks to solve the numericals. Very good. So this much is finished written. Okay. Next we will consider the atomic radius. So what is atomic radius? Atomic radius is, now you can see that it is BCC, sorry, simple cubic. So one atom is present at the corner, another one atom is present at the corner. It is a cubic. So this distance is a. Yes, very good. This is r, this is r. So a equal to 2r, atomic radius r equal to a by 2. Very good. The next is number of atoms per unit cell. So how to find number of atoms per unit cell? Here n effective, that already I have told you in the previous, nothing I have to told. Ni plus nf by 2 plus nc by 2. This is the n effective. So if we will put, this is 0, this is 0, this is 8. So corner or 8 atoms are present, 8 by 8, that equal to 1. So here n effective is equal to 1. As n effective equal to 1, so it is primitive type. So it is the primitive. Let me do this. So it is the primitive type. Okay, very good. Then next is find packing fraction. Already we have discussed. ଯେମିତି କହିଥିଲି ବାହାର କରିବ simple cubic ରେ BCC ରେ ବି ସେମିତି ବାହାରିବ ଆସିବ. Very good. କିଏ କହିଲା? That is n effective into volume of each atom divided by volume of unit cell. That n effective केते आସୁଛି 1. Very good. That you have got the answer. 4 by 3 pi r cube divided by a cube. R is a by 2. So 4 by 3 pi r is a by 2 whole cube divided by a cube. That you will get pi by 6. That is 0.52. Or you will say atomic packing fraction is equal to 52%. 52% means it is loose pack structure. And very important is that the question normally comes polonium exhibit simple cubic structure. Remember, no other element exhibits simple cubic structure, only this polonium exhibits simple cubic structure. So whatever I will go to the simple cubic structure needs to be proceed in body center cubic and face center cubic. So next go to the BCC, body center cubic. So body center cubic means suppose you have the all the idea. Yes, very good. That Amlan has told all the atoms to be present at the corner. That atoms will be present at the corner. So here atoms are present at the corner. All atoms are present at the corner, and one atom will be present at the body of this. Okay, coordination number you see present 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. So I think your idea has been developed. Coordination number equal to 8. Then what is the atomic nearest neighbor distance? What is the nearest neighbor distance in body center cubic? Suppose it is the atom, distance A, distance A, distance A. This distance is root 2a. Into root 2a ଭିତରେ କ'ଣ ରହିଥିବ? Atom ଟା present ଥିବ. So root 2a by 2. Very good. A by root 2. So nearest neighbor is A by root 2. A by root 2. ଆଉ କହିଦେଲେ A by root 2. ଏଟା କ'ଣ face center ହେଇଛି? କ'ଣ ହବ? ହଁ, very good. ଏବେ କହିଲେ ଲାଭ କ'ଣ ହବ? That's I want to know from you. କେତେ ଆସିଲା? root 3a divided by 2. So tamar ethi kon asibo distance root 3a by 2. This is the nearest neighbor. Be attentive in the class. How kon hijibo? Sorry, is not the answer. It is the second nearest neighbor. That's why I have told to you. I have written root 2 and I am observing your patience. Okay. So this much is clear to all of you. Then atomic radius. ଯେମିତି ସେଠି calculate କରିଥିଲେ atomic radius ସେଠି ସେମିତି calculate କର. ବିଶେଷ ମାନେ କ'ଣ ଥିବ? କେତେ ଆସୁଛି? calculate କଲେ Pythagoras theorem. R equal to very good root 3a by 4. Very good. Similarly calculate n effective. N କେତେ ଆସିଲା? 2. So I think this idea has been developed by all of you. So next calculate atomic packing fraction. See, already I have told you only simple cubic and everything you are being calculating. 0.68, 68%. Loose pack or repack? Loose pack. So now see, only I have told you the simple cubic and only I have given to you the concept and everything you can able to develop. So this much develop of the idea is required to you so that you in the exam you will be different from others. While others will be busy in finding the answer, solving the numericals, you will just apply these tricks and you will get the answer. Be ahead. This is a race. You have to go to the ahead. You have to go to the first. Yes, proceed to the FCC. I will not tell anything. FCC. Face center cubic. So 6 face, 8 corner. Draw the diagram. Very good. Coordination number is 12. So I think all the ideas that has been developed by all of you. Just take your time and tell the every physical data in FCC.